Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming eligibility. Check degree equivalence, required transcripts, and minimum English scores. This saves time later. Simultaneously, search departmental staff pages to identify 2 to 3 potential supervisors whose recent work matches your idea, because direct fit raises acceptance odds. Prepare a focused CV, 2 academic references, and a 1 to 2 page research outline that states the problem, methods, and significance. Once done, email a short introduction and your outline to preferred supervisors to gauge interest. Now you refine the research proposal using supervisor feedback, making sure methods, timeline, and feasibility align with department strengths. This is why tailored proposals perform better. Prepare the formal application portal entry, a strong personal statement of objectives, and clear funding plan or scholarship applications, since funding often determines admission. Arrange referees to submit letters and request official transcripts well ahead of deadlines. Make sure to follow file formats and word limits. Omissions commonly cause delays. Complete submission and confirm receipt. Then prepare for a potential interview by practicing concise summaries of your aims, methods, and expected contribution, because clear communication often secures offers. If offered admission, review and negotiate funding, stipend, start date, and supervisorship arrangements. Make sure terms for data access and ethics approvals are clear. Finally, begin visa paperwork and housing searches early. Troubleshooting tip: if you get a rejection or delay, ask for feedback, refine the proposal, and reapply or seek alternatives.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.